Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoTrain.io. I just want to show you how powerful these indicators, these custom indicators are, and that you could get all these signals and learn how to trade if you just join the Discord. But let me just show you. I have them color coded for you. So what we really want to see is the second wave, because the first wave is usually a impulse wave, and then the second wave is actually when the retailers kick in, and that's when you want to get in. So we can see that the color changed from red to black, which means that we're going to start heading up, but we don't want to take this first one. Why? Because this is where people will start going in and start FOMOing in, start kicking it down. Right here on this little fella right here, this is where you want to get in on not the first wave, but the second wave, which lines up, and look what happens. If you were in our Discord, you would have got this signal, and right now, if you closed out, you're at 6.82%. Join the Discord if you want to learn how to trade, how to set up your own charts, how to become a financially independent trader on your very own through the training, through one-on-one training if you need to, but it also will teach you how to identify trends, patterns, candlesticks, and how to use indicators. Then I'll see you on the next video.